Hey everybody, welcome back to my shop. Just a quickie update. I'm finishing up my refrigerator surround cabinet. It's going to go on, my refrigerator is going to fit inside of it, of course. And I do it, partly conventional woodworking and partly with CNC working. A little bit, I cut the carcass a little bit with the CNC machine, but mostly all the face frame stuff is all done with conventional kind of woodworking, table saw, jointer, planer, and traditional kind of stuff like that. Pocket hole screws, Craig. I had to make a jig for that. But I'm also going to make the doors on the CNC machine, and I'm going to give you a little quickie on that one. Right now, everything I've done on the doors has been 100% conventional, table saw, jointer, planer, cut-off saw, chop saw, whatever you want to call it. It's that thing over there. But what I'm going to do for the rail and stiles, I'm going to do on the CNC machine using these cutters that most people would use to make the doors. So I'm going to do it that way. I got a couple of little jigs here, and I'm going to do all the rails and stiles. Of course, the panel I'm going to cut to size on the table saw, and sliding compound miter saw. So those doors are going to fit up there. I'm just going to put 2 big doors. I was going to put 4 small ones, but I think they would look odd. So keep in touch. I'll be updating. Bye.